What historical period is associated with the Mahajanapadas? The second urbanization in India, starting around the 6th century BCE, early Buddhist and Jain texts era. What does the term Mahajanapada literally mean? Great country or great state, from Maha, great, and Janapada, foothold of a tribe country. How many Mahajanapadas are traditionally mentioned in ancient texts? 16. Sodasha Mahajanapadas. Which ancient Buddhist text lists the 16 Mahajanapadas? The Anguttara Nikaya. Which Jain text also mentions a list of Mahajanapadas? The Bhagavati Sutra or Vyakhya Prajanapti. Mahajanapadas, capitals and location. What was the capital of the Magadha Mahajanapada initially? Rajagriha or Girivraja, later Patliputra. Which Mahajanapada was located at the extreme northwest of the Indian subcontinent, present-day Afghanistan, Pakistan? Gandhara. What was the capital city of the Kosala Mahajanapada? Shravasti or Savatthi. Which Mahajanapada was situated between the rivers Yamuna and Ganga with its capital at Hastinapura, later Indraprastha? Kuru. Name the Mahajanapada that was located in the central and western India region, far from the Ganga plain, with its capital at Potana or Potali? Asmaka or Asaka. Which Mahajanapada had its capital at Mathura? Surasena. What was the capital of the Avanti Mahajanapada? Ujjaini, Ujjain, and Mahishmati. Mahajanapadas, government and conflict. Which two forms of government were primarily found among the Mahajanapadas? Monarchy, kingdoms and republics, Ganasanghas, oligarchies. Name two important Ganasanghas, republics among the Mahajanapadas. Vajji, Vriji, and Malla. Which Mahajanapada ultimately emerged as the most powerful and successful in unifying the region? Magadha. What were the key geographical advantages that contributed to Magadha's success? Its location near iron ore deposits and control over river routes, Ganga and Son, for trade and transport. Who was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty, which was instrumental in the early expansion of Magadha? Bimbisara. Which famous battle involved a long conflict between the kingdoms of Magadha and Avanti? There was a prolonged rivalry, but Magadha ultimately annexed Avanti during the reign of Shishunaga. Which dynasty succeeded the Haryanka dynasty in Magadha? The Shishunaga dynasty. Mahajanapadas, economy and society. What major economic development characterized the period of the Mahajanapadas? The rise of punch-marked coins, silver and copper, signifying a developed monetary economy. What material was extensively used for making agricultural tools during this period, aiding in clearing forests and improving farming? Iron. Name one famous ruler of Gandhara who was a contemporary of Cyrus the Great of Persia. King Pukkusati or Pushkarasarin. What was the name of the capital of the Vajji, Vriji confederacy? Vaishali.